Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, LED headlights, power lift gate, traction control, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.